Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to learn how to draw and color some super cute lipsticks. It's going to be fun and easy. Let's start with the first lipstick. Draw the main body of the lipstick. Draw two straight lines. Very good. Then we draw lipstick tip like this. Very good. Second lipstick. Draw another base, maybe a bit rounder. Very good. Draw lipstick tip like this. Third lipstick. Again draw a rounded rectangle for the main body of the lipstick. Excellent. Then lipstick tip like this. Very good. Draw a heart on it. Then flower. In the last we draw lips. Very good. Your drawing is ready. Time to color. Use red color for the lipstick. This is our first lipstick. Use pink color for the second lipstick. Like this. Use brown color for the third lipstick. Use yellow color for the base. Try to stay inside the lines. Very good. Use red color for the heart. Use orange color for the second lipstick. This is the main body for the second lipstick. You did it very well. Use pink color for the flower. Like this. Very good. Use light green color for the third lipstick. Don't cross the lines. Great job. In the last we use red color for the lips. Done. Super cute lipsticks are ready. Allah Hafiz.